Right now, Shopify offers a free trial so you can build your entire store before paying anything. And if you use my link in the description below, you'll also get an additional 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month after your trial ends. The basic plan normally costs $39 a month, so this saves you over $100. It's the best deal they offer. So to get that deal, use the link on screen or scroll down and click the first link in the description below. When you use that link, you'll land on this page here. Go ahead and add your email to get started. Create a password, complete the CAPTCHA, then click to create your account. Next, you'll need to enter your payment information. Now, nothing is charged right now. On the left side, you can see it says there's a free 3-day trial, and then after that, you'll be charged $1 for your first month. Go ahead and use either PayPal or enter your card information to get started. The next page shows you 3 plan options. And the cool thing is, for your first 3 months, you can get any of them for just $1. I recommend clicking the View Plan Details button if you're not sure which plan you want to use, but for most people, you can get started with the basic plan, and that's what we're going to use today. Next, Shopify is going to ask you a few quick questions about your business. For the most part, these just customize the setup checklist on your dashboard, so quickly answer these first few questions, however makes the most sense for your business. The last question is, what should we call your store? Go ahead and enter your store name how you'd like it to appear on your site. Then click Finish. And just like that, we're inside the Shopify dashboard.